Jason? Jason? Can you not hear that noise?
What noise?
Listen. You're disgusting. Shh, there. Well?
Didn't hear anything. Maybe a fox?
Are you fucking stupid? I'll go and look then, shall I? I'll probably get murdered.
Not by a fox. Was it a fox?
Fucking hell.
What?
Have you been smoking in this room?
I quit. I did.
Fine. Can you help me find this bee?
Listen, yesterday it was a squeaky bin lid. Last week it was a slamming door. Do you think maybe it might be in your head? Actually, I did hear that one.
What is that? I swear it's been moving around, following me even.
Ooh, Clara. Well, I don't think it's electrical.
Oh, you don't?
I don't think it's the pipes either.
Oh, that's brilliant, Jason. Can you tell me what else it isn't?
No need to get shitty with me, Clara. It's not my fault. I'm not doing it. See? I literally did nothing.
Like that ever needs pointing out.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean?
Well, like you said, you were going to fix the boiler.
Well, I'm trying to lower our carbon footprint, aren't I?
Well, what about this faulty ignition on the hob?
Well, you know it has a knack. You just have to wiggle the doodah and... You broke that.
And this?
Yeah, all right.
Then yeah, all right me, Jason. Like I'm the one being unreasonable.
Well...
I'm just pointing out some of the many, many things you've said you're going to do and didn't. And it's making me question our relationship, quite frankly.
Why do we have to talk about this now? It's the middle of the night.
Well, talking about it in the middle of the day hasn't exactly helped.
Shh, the neighbours.
Did you just shush me? Did you just... I don't care about the fucking neighbours!
Oh, they're gonna care about this banging, aren't they?
Well, it's the only banging they've had to listen to lately, isn't it?
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
You heard!
Oh, you want banging cupboards? I can give you banging cupboards, honey. I can give you banging cupboards all night long.
You the last 30 seconds, you useless lump of shit!
What do you want? Why do you torment this family? Leave these good people alone!
It's just a Winter. You're okay.
I'm going to ask some questions. Knock once for yes, twice for no. Good. Are you trying to tell us... Well, I haven't finished asking the question.
It's the same pattern every night.
Short, but intense.
There is a malevolent force at work here. It is an evil. Beyond even me.
What's that?
We're all going to die!
I think it's just a trick of the light. Should we go up?
Things are going to change, aren't they?
Tomorrow's a new day. At least the bleeping stopped.